To access the throttle body for removal, you will begin by removing the engine panels. Next, you will need to remove the charged air or Y pipe. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with either or both of those tasks if needed. With everything removed, you can access the throttle body indicated by the red arrow. Begin by squeezing in on the two tabs, red arrows, and separate the electrical connection from the throttle body. With the connection separated, remove the harness from the bottom of the body, red arrow, and set it aside. While removing the Y pipe, you will have noticed the special screws that hold the throttle body to the intake manifold and also hold on the Y pipe. Use a T25 torque and remove the 4 screws. These are special screws. Do not lose them. You can now remove the throttle body from the intake manifold. We use and recommend using Porsche's synthetic gasket lubricant on all rubber gaskets and O-rings. If you are removing the throttle body to service other areas, each time you remove it, you must replace the gasket, red arrow. Failure to do so can cause vacuum leaks and all kinds of other problems. Installation is the reverse of removal. Torque the T25 screws to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.